Hello, my friends. Welcome to Eureka Math Lesson 4, Module 2. We have a friend here today. Hello, Mr. Crocodile. How are you? Oh, I am ready for this lesson. I'm hungry for learning. Excellent. Well, pay attention, just like my students do, and you will see how well you can do in math. All right, everybody, here we go. So this one says that we have 21.5. So let's write it down. This is writing it in unit form. So the unit form is 21.5. Okay, so that helps us see that we can write this down just the same way it was. 21 times 5. And now there is something we can do to make this easier. So for multiplication, so we're going to decompose the 21. The 21 has 2 tens plus 1. And all we got to do now is multiply those numbers, times 5. And that's what you call the distributive property. Now we're going to associate numbers. We're going to associate the number 5. Now the number 5 is multiplying the 1. So that's going to become 1 times 5. And now we're going to associate the 20. And that's going to turn 20 into 20 times 5. Okay, now these two products at the end, they need to be added up. So let's write it down. So we have the first number, 20 times 5 plus 1 times 5. Okay, step number 2. This is how you create a tape diagram for this multiplication. Let's write this tape diagram. A tape diagram is just a shape, a rectangular shape that says we have 25. So how many fives? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, until you get to 19, 20. So that means we have 25. But then we have one more. So we're going to add the one more. And that will be one more 5. So that means 21 fives. Okay, our step number 3 is we have to now use the step 3 will be the area model, and that leads to the algorithm. Okay, so here we go. So we have 25. So the unit we know is 5 because both of the numbers are multiplied by 5. And then we have 1 times 5. So we only have 1. And then we have 2 tens. So here's the area for that one. So now that we have the area, we said, oh, this is 20. So 21 5. So now we have 1 times 5 equals 5. And 20 times 5 equals 100. Now we have to add up all those partial products. That's 5 plus 100, and the answer will be 105. And this is the product for the two factors, 21 times 5 equals 105. Okay, boys and girls, my friends, those of you guys who are watching these videos, make sure you know that we multiplied a number by converting it, finding the unit form, then using the tape diagram, and then we multiply using the area model along with the algorithm, which we did not do. So the algorithm will go something like this: 21 times 5. So when you multiply the 1 times the 5 equals 5, which is this answer. And when you multiply that, the 5 times the 22, that means 5 times 20, and the answer is 100. This is why we have this answer here. And the answer will be the same. So this is the algorithm. Okay, my friends, enjoy the math. Repeat it as many times as you want because it's going to help you be successful in your schooling.